Bye. I'm Greg with CalendarInvite.com. You can see I have 8 upcoming games left here for the season, the regular season for the NBA. That data was loaded into the AWS Calendar Invite server here in the interface. And those are the 8 games. So let's get to it. What I'm going to do here, there were 15 for today, 8 left in chronological order. It's 12:51. And let's see, we'll go back here to the 8 in the picker. So you can see that data loaded there. So now I'm going to go over to send invites. I'm going to click VIP list. I'm going to choose a list to send a bulk calendar invite run to a game. That game is going to be the Rockets at the Nuggets. I'm going to type in yes in all caps, and that gives permission for our API gateway to send out a bulk calendar invite for the Rockets versus the Nuggets. And you're going to see that data show up over here in our picker. There it is right there. I sent it out to these people here. I'm not going to go through each person. For demo purposes, you see that this person here received a calendar invite, so you know it's working. So what I'm going to do is go ahead to clear the data, and I'm going to do another bulk run real quick for the last game of the season. It's going to load the data there. I can show you the list. Loads it into the browser via our API kit, and that'll be the last one, the Grizzlies versus the Dallas Mavericks. And I'm going to type in yes again, and I'm going to hit send VIP calendar invites, and the calendar invites are going out. Grizzlies versus the Mavericks, and it'll show up over here, and you'll see that that data now is here. I'm going to say maybe. So what I've just shown you in the bulk engine is our ability to do this, which is send out calendar invites at scale. So what I was hitting was this single calendar invite event list that sends out a calendar invite to a list, and you saw the independent calendar invites going out for the games I picked at scale. So the way it works is I loaded all the 2,500 games or so into the picker. Excuse me, that was 1,400 games for the NBA. It's 2,500 for MLB. That's coming up next. But the NBA games were approximately 1,400 that I had loaded for demonstration purposes. I did a bulk upload into the AWS Calendar Invite server, and that data was disassembled here and ready for reassembly. And what happened under the API call was essentially under reassembly, we built a calendar invite on the fly for these particular games in the marketing pick list. We sent them out via SES, and anytime a new one goes out, it goes out and it gets sent to the list. And anytime this original calendar invitation over here as a calendar client in the organizer theme talks to this gateway here, we do an update or cancel if needed. And then that data is reassembled and then sent back out downstream to the independent calendar invites. And then we gather all that information here in the all events for the organizer itself. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out for the NBA season, and the MLB will be up next here in a few days.